Why is the screen dark? Much better. Hi everyone, Hong Kong. No, that was my carrot. I earned that. So while you were busy with that... Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. Break in the lake. No, no, mine. No, mine. What is going on? Why is he... Okay, this is absolutely silly. Why does he not let... Oh my god, he's being so annoying. Yeah, that's not what I wanted to pick up, Goose. I can't believe the Goose itself is trolling me. Okay, now I have the keys. What? I did not drop them. He dropped them entirely on his own. Mine. Finally got the carrot. What are we missing? We need a pumpkin, thermos, and a radio. Mine. We're not a seagull, though. Where did he go? Is he going to my picnic? Is he messing up my picnic? I swear to God, if he's messing up my picnic. This man cannot focus on something for a couple of seconds. Give Ike everything he wants. Give it to him. Yes. Everything I desire, I must have. That is the way of the goose. Who said deshussy? Leave. Leave right now. I'm joking. I'm joking. That's funny. That's what you get. Leave the keys there. Honk, honk, honk. Let's go. Have a picnic. Victory honk! We are a menace. We are not to be trifled with. Mana-san, thank you. Ike Eveland. No. Ike Gooseland. Hey, we're on TV. International Goose. You guys see me? I was on TV. Famous Gooseland. Stonks. No! Why does he ruin everything? Don't you have anything better to do than to simp for your neighbor? Let me be a goose. Okay, just have a sip. I am a goose! Honk! Mine. You have something that belongs to me. By the law of goose. Anything that is yours, I am allowed to mess with. Oh, you're gonna run around. You thought glasses was your ally, but nah. They are allied to Goose and Goose alone. Let's get a bra first. Fun fact. That means good in Swedish. Oh my god, what do you mean no goose allowed? Goose is always allowed. May I offer you a rose? Everybody? Isn't he charming? Who needs pigeon mail when you have goose mail? Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm just a box. Dun 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 dun. What? Yes, exactly. It is just a box. Solid goose. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Peace was never an option. Peace was never an option. Peace was never an option. It's the thumbnail. Mine? Fork you. Fork you. Just a goose. What do you want from me, game? This man has the reflexes of a god. Hey, bot, we already have goose dating. Who needs another date? Right? I mean, did you see this dapper goose with that ribbon? Who wouldn't want to go on a date with that kind of goose? Ike-kun, yahoo, yahoo! Just a box. Nothing sus about this books. You don't see me. I'm not here. I'm not a ghost, I'm a ghost. No, give me that, that's mine. Oh, yeah. You can't do anything. It belongs to me. Into the canal it goes. Let's try that again. Hi. I'm a goose. May I interest you in a flower? Hello. Thank you! Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm just a goose, don't worry. No! Dang it! Can I get another flower? I bow and I flap. Thank you. Oh, and I caught it. I caught it midair. I caught it midair. Baby goose. Goo goo gaga. Ike Lostland. Listen. My sense of direction is not that great. Cut me some slack. Hi, excuse me, pardon me, sorry, let me go in. Oh my god! Oh, it's a tomato. I thought it was blood for a second. No, 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 no! No. No, that's my bell. My bell. My bell. Never thought I would defend a bell in my life, but here we are. No. My bell. Bell, mine, now. Okay, you don't see me, you don't see me. And now I got the bell. Where did I go? Nobody knows. Where am I? Yeah, that's right. There's no goose. There's no goose at all. Goose? What goose? There's no goose. No goose to speak of. Goose? Bell? What are these nonsense things? And evidently, this is not the first time that we have done this. Thank you very much, oh! Power! Yeah! Like that? Thank you very much.